Ever wondered about the hidden wonders of Phnom Penh, the bustling capital of Cambodia? A city that has gracefully aged yet vibrantly flourishes, Phnom Penh is a mesmerizing blend of old and new. It's a city that's seen the passage of time, yet has remained resilient, standing strong through the trials of history. Phnom Penh's rich history is visible in its architecture, a saga of temples, palaces, and colonial buildings that whisper tales of the past. But it doesn't end there. The city is alive with a vibrant culture that pulses through its streets, markets, and eateries. The aroma of authentic Cambodian cuisine fills the air, while the charming hospitality of its people warms your heart. As the sun sets, Phnom Penh reveals a new face. Its thriving nightlife comes alive, a testament to its modern, dynamic spirit. From tranquil riverside lounges to pulsating clubs, the city has something for everyone. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 5 places you must visit in this enchanting city. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Royal Palace, a shining jewel in the heart of the city. This grand edifice stands as a testament to Cambodia's rich history, a beacon of its past grandeur, and a symbol of its enduring legacy. First, let's take a step back in time. The Royal Palace was built in the mid-19th century during the reign of King Norodom. Its construction marked a significant shift in the kingdom's capital from Udong to Phnom Penh. Ever since, it has been the royal residence of the kings of Cambodia, a sanctuary of peace amidst the city's hustle and bustle. The palace is more than just a royal residence. It's a showcase of Cambodian architecture at its finest. Its intricate design is a harmonious blend of Khmer architectural style and European influences. The complex is divided into 4 main compounds, each with its own distinct charm and purpose. But the real showstopper here is the throne hall, a magnificent edifice adorned with a soaring, multi-tiered spire, a true embodiment of regal grandeur. Nestled within the palace grounds is another gem, the Silver Pagoda. It's named so due to its floor, which is inlaid with more than 5,000 silver tiles. The pagoda houses many national treasures, including a life-size gold statue of Buddha studded with 9,683 diamonds. It's a sight to behold, a scintillating testament to the country's devotion and spirituality. The Royal Palace isn't just about the buildings, though. Its manicured gardens, filled with a variety of flora, provide a serene backdrop to the elaborate structures. The tranquil ambience, the scent of blooming flowers, and the soft rustle of leaves in the breeze add to the overall mystique of the place. A visit to Phnom Penh would be incomplete without stepping into the grandeur of the Royal Palace. It's not just a place, it's an experience. It's a journey into Cambodia's rich history, a glimpse into its royal past, and a testament to its architectural prowess. So if you ever find yourself in this charming city, make sure to reserve a day for the Royal Palace. You won't regret it. Moving on to number 4, we explore the treasures housed within the National Museum. Situated in the heart of Phnom Penh, the National Museum is a proud testament to Cambodia's cultural and historical legacy. As the country's largest museum of cultural history, it serves as a beacon for the preservation and celebration of Cambodian heritage. Wrapped in a traditional red, the museum's unique Khmer architectural style is an exhibit in itself. It's a visual treat that takes you back to the bygone eras, even before you step inside. Once you venture in, the real journey through Cambodia's past begins. The museum is home to over 5,000 artifacts that encapsulate the richness of Khmer art, archaeology, and culture. These exhibits span from the prehistoric times to periods of great kingdoms, offering an unparalleled glimpse into the evolution of Cambodia's civilization. A remarkable highlight is the collection of Angkorian-era statues. These majestic stone figures, frozen in time, bear witness to the grandeur of the Khmer Empire that once held sway over the region. Their intricate designs and detailed craftsmanship speak volumes of the artistic prowess of the ancient Khmers. Another must-see is the assortment of ceramics and bronzes. These everyday items of the past, from pots to jewelry, provide a fascinating insight into the lives of the people who once used them. Each artifact, each exhibit tells a story of a time that has shaped the Cambodia we know today. Visiting the National Museum is like stepping into a time capsule. It's an experience that transcends the barriers of time, taking you on a journey through the ages. It's an opportunity to connect with the past, to understand the roots of a nation that has endured and evolved through centuries. The National Museum is more than just a building filled with artifacts. It's a living, breathing narrative of Cambodia's history, a story told through the silent voices of the artifacts that reside within its walls. It's a place where the past and present converge, where history is brought to life. The National Museum is truly a gateway to Cambodia's rich and fascinating past. At number 3, we have the Tuol Sleng Genocide Museum, a sobering reminder of Cambodia's tragic history. Tuol Sleng, a name that rings hauntingly in the annals of Cambodian history. This place was once a bustling high school, filled with laughter and learning. But as the Khmer Rouge took power, this institution of education was transformed into an institution of horror, becoming Security Prison 21, or S21. The classrooms, once filled with keen students, were retrofitted into tiny prison cells and torture chambers. It's estimated that around 20,000 people were imprisoned here, and only a handful survived. The majority were accused of espionage and other crimes against the Khmer Rouge regime, subjected to brutal interrogations, and then executed at the killing fields of Chung Ek. Today, the Tuol Sleng Genocide Museum stands as a stark reminder of this dark period in Cambodia's past. Walking through the corridors, you can almost feel the echoes of history whispering their tales of sorrow. The exhibits are a chilling testament to the atrocities committed here, featuring haunting photographs of the prisoners, their desperate eyes telling stories words cannot express. But it's not just about the horror. The museum also serves as a place of remembrance, a place to honor the victims of the Khmer Rouge. It's a place to reflect on the resilience of the human spirit and the importance of standing against such atrocities in the future. The significance of the Tuol Sleng Genocide Museum extends beyond Cambodia's borders. It's a grim reminder of the depths humanity can descend to when gripped by ideologies of hate. But it's also a testament to the power of remembrance and the importance of acknowledging and learning from our past, however painful it may be. A visit to the Tuol Sleng Genocide Museum is not an easy one, but it's a necessary one. It's a journey through a chapter of history that should never be forgotten. It's a journey that, in its own way, pays tribute to the thousands who lost their lives here. A visit to the Tuol Sleng Genocide Museum is a poignant experience that leaves a lasting impact. Coming in at number 2, we immerse ourselves in the hustle and bustle of the Central Market. As one of the largest markets in Phnom Penh, the Central Market is a microcosm of the city's vibrant energy and charm. Stepping into this bustling hub is an experience for all your senses. The air is fragrant with the aroma of exotic spices, the tang of fresh fruits, and the savory scent of street food grilling. The Central Market is a treasure trove of goods, a testament to the city's diverse commerce. Here, you can find everything under the sun, from fresh produce, meat, and seafood to clothing, jewelry, and electronics. The market's extensive offerings cater to every need and fancy. But perhaps the real charm of the Central Market lies in its souvenir stalls. These stalls are packed with an array of trinkets, handicrafts, and artwork that reflect the rich culture and heritage of Cambodia. From intricate silverware to beautiful silk scarves, these souvenirs make perfect mementos of your visit. The market is also a melting pot of locals and tourists alike. Here, amidst the cacophony of haggling and the clatter of commerce, you can engage with the friendly locals, learn about their traditions, and maybe even pick up a few Khmer phrases. With its lively atmosphere, the Central Market is more than just a shopping destination. It's a cultural immersion, a sensory feast, and a glimpse into the everyday life of Phnom Penh. For a truly local experience, the Central Market is a must-visit. And finally, at number 1, we have Wat Phnom, the heart and soul of Phnom Penh. Wat Phnom, which translates to Mountain Pagoda, stands as the tallest religious structure in the city. Its unique charm and grandeur make it impossible to miss. Located atop a 27-meter-high hill, this sacred sanctuary is a beloved symbol of the city and a testament to its rich history and culture. The legend of Wat Phnom is a captivating one. As the story goes, a wealthy widow named Lady Pen discovered 4 bronze statues of the Buddha in a koki tree floating along the river. Seeing this as a divine sign, she decided to construct a small shrine on an artificial hill to house them. This is believed to be the birth of Phnom Penh itself, with the city deriving its name from Phnom, meaning hill, and Penh, the name of the noble lady. The architecture of Wat Phnom is just as fascinating as its legend. Its grand stupa, the central tower, is adorned with intricate designs and houses ancient artifacts and statues, making it a treasure trove for history and art enthusiasts. The surrounding gardens, populated with statues and stela, provide a serene ambience that attracts both locals and tourists seeking a peaceful retreat. Wat Phnom is not just a place of worship, but a symbol of the city's spirit and resilience. We've journeyed through the vibrant heart of Cambodia, exploring its palaces, museums, markets, and temples. Let's take a moment to recap the highlights of our virtual tour. We began at the Royal Palace, a majestic testament to the country's regal past, a place where grandeur and history intertwine. Next, we delved into the rich cultural tapestry at the National Museum, home to thousands of artifacts that tell the story of this beautiful nation. Our journey then took us to the somber halls of the Tuol Sleng Genocide Museum, a stark reminder of Cambodia's tragic past and a testament to its resilience. From there, we immersed ourselves in the hustle and bustle of the central market, a hub of commerce and local life. Finally, we ascended to the serene heights of Wat Phnom, the city's spiritual heart and a beacon of tranquility amidst the urban buzz. These are just a taste of what Phnom Penh has to offer. This city, rich in history and bursting with life, is waiting for you to discover its many charms.